In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin and unpin the Confluence editor toolbar while editing a page. To get started, open the Confluence page you want to work on and click the Edit button. This takes you into the editing view where all your changes are made before you publish. Once you're in edit mode, shift your attention to the very top of the page. That horizontal row of buttons you see is the editor toolbar. It's where you'll find your formatting options, headings, lists, links, images, and more. Pretty much everything you use to shape the content of your page. Now we're going to make sure that toolbar stays where you need it. Look along the right side of the toolbar for the pin control. In most interfaces, it looks like a small push pin icon or a toolbar lock dock control. This is the setting that decides whether the toolbar remains fixed in place or moves out of the way as you scroll. Click the pin option to keep the toolbar visible. When you do, the toolbar becomes sticky, meaning it won't slip off the screen while you're working farther down the page. This is especially helpful if you're editing long documents and don't want to scroll all the way back up just to change a heading style or add a list. Continue editing as you normally would, and check that the toolbar stays in place as you move through your content. A quick way to confirm is to scroll down a bit and use a formatting command. If you can still reach those buttons without scrolling up, the pin is doing its job. This small adjustment can save time and keep your focus on writing and structuring your content rather than hunting for controls. Like if you prefer more screen space while you work, maybe you're concentrating on layout or focusing on long form text, you can unpin the toolbar. Click the same pin control again to allow the toolbar to auto hide or move with your scroll. This gives you a cleaner, more expansive canvas, which can be handy on smaller screens or when you want to minimize visual distractions. When you're satisfied with your content and ready to make your changes visible to others, publish or update the page. Clicking publish or update if you're editing an existing page saves your work and closes the editor. That's all there is to it. Open the page, enter edit mode, locate the toolbar pin, choose to pin or unpin based on your preference, keep working with confidence, and then publish when you're done.